Welcome back to Budget Basis. Today, we're talking about the cookie jar method. Meet your buddy. He works hard, gets paid, and by the end of the month, he's broke. Every month, it's the same story. Rent, groceries, gas, subscriptions he forgot about. He checks his bank app and winces. Negative balance. Again, the problem isn't that he doesn't make enough. It's that he has no system. Imagine your paycheck is a jar full of cookies. Every time you spend, you reach in and grab one. No plan means no cookies left when you actually need them. The jar goes empty before the month ends. But what if you split the jar into three? One for needs, one for wants, and one for savings. Rule 1. Fill the needs jar first. Rent, food, utilities, insurance. 50% of your paycheck. Non-negotiable. Rule 2. The wants jar is smaller. 30% for streaming, eating out, hobbies. Fun stuff, but only after needs are covered. Rule 3. Pay the savings jar before you pay yourself. 20%, every paycheck, no excuses. Write it down before the money hits your account. Every dollar gets assigned to a jar. No guessing. Do this for 3 months straight and watch what happens. The savings jar overflows. The stress starts to shrink. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Split your jar today. Your future self will thank you. This video is for educational purposes only and is not professional financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor for your specific situation. Subscribe for more Budget Basis.